megalayapost.news.
Kajing duna ne kajing hiar kajing don jok hakapung umyam kamdon setia kano kajing ade bagajing penbha ne marmot ya kajing kingdam ha umyam ong ueti mondal menteri ke sorkar jela badian pej ya katnat penmi boarding elektrik ha jela habakran cikin untuk kubor eti mondal ula ong Boluyo pediang sibun kijing ujor lang baga phone baki brew kilap pau ya kajing sokya sepang kajing hiar joko ne kajing duna ko hakapung umyam barkila konoru bakane kala bandai hadin balade ban marmot ya kajing kingdam ha umyam Ula pensairu ba umdon banyak halor kajing marmot ya kajing kingdam Andre kajing hiar jong hakate kapung umyam kadai namar bakal adai kapor balatan ya ka boarding electric
the consumers whether the situation has improved or not. Plain Bills doesn't mean only Rajawala constituency. It comprises Tikrigila, Pulbari, Shalsala, all these areas. I am in no difference that there is no problem in Rajawala area. There is problem in Rajawala area, and so also there was problem in Pulbari area, and also Tikrigila area. Now situation has improved in Pulbari area. We are getting full voltage and frequency of shutdown has reduced to a great extent. Rajawala area is still there is problem because the planning that we have done we could not implement till today. Due to that this problem is there. Load capacity of a substation is limited and we needed to be upgrade the substation. This is taking little bit time and there is one substation which has been sanctioned mostly in 2015 to be constructed in Rajawala somewhere in Lalmati area and all these things. We could not do that one because of the issues of right of way, and because of that the contractor somehow is left the work and gone. This matter was raised also in several times, and after I have taken over, I am constantly monitoring the situation in there. Then what happened, even in a Disha meeting on video conference, I requested the honorable member from Rajawala also that we need a little bit of political motivation to see that the people give the right of way. If right of way is not there, if you cannot fix the post and string the conductor and pass the line, it will be not there, because this substation at Rajawala will be fed from the 132 by 33 kV substation at Pulbari Chivina. So when we found that nothing is happening, I venture out. I then went to meet the Nokma of Balachanda village, but unfortunately I could not meet in 2 occasions. On my 3rd attempt, I could contact him, and I'm very thankful to him that he has come to my residence. And I called the power grid people, and we discussed, and the matter is solved now. And I had a review meeting with Power Grid, with our MEPDCL and all these things. One substation at Helidigans has been upgraded, and I think another last 2 days back, half of Rajawala line has been fed from there, and due to that some improvement is there. And once this Rajawala substation is completed, which we are expecting that by August it will be done, because I am constantly monitoring this work. And as I told you that I'm personally I'm constantly in touch with the Nokma of Balachanda village, who is now cooperating with us and helping us also, and I'm very thankful to him also, and I express my gratitude to him also. So once this is done, the problem of that area will be there. During this lean period when Eri cultivation was there, then there was a lot of problem, because for Eri cultivation they used to use the motor. Honorable member from Rajawala called me, and we discussed also that immediately we cannot do till the upgradation process is over, which is on. The moment it is done, we will be charging half of the area of that site from that substation. But prior to that, I think we got to limit, we got to see that no unauthorized pumps are there, so that overloading will be there, and ultimately everybody will suffer. So maybe there will be a monitoring system through village committees, where we will restrict the use of motors at particular point of time. So saying that, I'm sure that by another 2-3 months, the power scenario in those areas will be automatically solved. It's come and we need to generate, so we are generating. So there is nothing to panic. We are generating because now keeping the water is no use. So make the hay when it shines. So that way we are thinking that water will come. So we are generating from there. Earlier, what happened? We stopped generating because we are managing from some other sources. Let me be very frank and let me tell you. I got many calls. Many people were telling me that because of the repair of the dam, the water this year is that much level. No, it is nothing to do with the repair of the dam. The water was there because we timed our generation and we got to see, and as we promised that there would be no load shedding in the lean period, especially the exam seasons, we kept the water there and we did not generate mass power from Umiam because we were managing from some other sources. Due to that, water was there. Now water is reduced, it doesn't mean that some leakage is there and water is shipping out. No, it is because we are started generating, because no point of keeping water at the juncture as monsoon has arrived. Meantime, we have advanced the thing. Last 2 months I have not reviewed, so they are doing the work as usual. So that must be in conclusion. So water level has nothing to do with the dam. Dam we are repairing because of the safety of the dam. Okay, seepage is there through the gates where the rubber seals have been deteriorated. Due to this, much seepage is there. Like in case of Leshka also, the other dams also. So that we take care. Now water is there because there is no leakage, and water is not there because of leakage is there. It is not like that. Leakage means the level of water depends how much the electricity we generate. The more we generate, considering our requirement at that particular point of time, on that basis the level of water is there. And there I raised informally one issue, is that in all matters Sikkim is tagged with Northeast. In any department, any issues, Sikkim is included in Northeast, except in power department where it is included in Eastern Zone. In my earlier instinct as a chairman of the Northeast Regional Power Committee, I tried to bring Sikkim to Northeast. But because of the reluctance by Eastern Zone, it could not be done. So this time I requested the Honorable Power Minister that it would be thankful for Sikkim, helpful for Sikkim, and it will be also helpful for Northeast if Sikkim is tagged with Northeast, which he told that he will look into, and he asked the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim that whether he is willing to be with the Eastern Zone or with Northeast Zone, and he also agreed that he will be there. So we are having NARPC meeting in Aizawl, Mizoram in the month of June, maybe 26, 27 or 23, 24, like that. So I told him to find out the availability that site. So there I want to take a resolution that we want to have Sikkim in the Northeast, as the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim has agreed. And I have told them that find out whether some old data are there or not, that in that way we have done. So somehow they have gone through here and they found a letter written 2011 on 20th October to Sushil Kumar Shinde, the then Power Minister, by me for inclusion of Sikkim as constituent member of the Northeast Regional Power Committee. This letter is there. Okay. And not only that, the subsequent all resolutions that have been adopted in the NARPC meeting, and then the letter sent to the concerned department by NARPC, all are there. So that was basically we had discussed. A regional load dispatch center will have the priority to get the power share and all these things. There are lots of benefits. I don't want to reveal. Let it come, then we'll see.
Meghalaya Post. News.